Hello everyone. Today we're working on the Saturn and we're going to be installing a new Resonator assembly by Walker Exhaust. I have the old Resonator assembly lined up on the ground against the new one. The only item we need to switch over is this rubber hanger. Take it off from the old pipe and put it on the new one. The reason I'm replacing the Resonator is because the flange rusted out. Otherwise, the Resonator was working fine. This is the flange of our new Resonator. It's a universal flange that allows you to hook up different types of catalytic converters. Our catalytic converter requires this 3-bolt gasket. In front of the Resonator is the catalytic converter, and back is the muffler. For that connection, all we need is a 1 3/4 inch clamp. Alright guys, the test drive went well, everything fit perfectly. Thumbs up to Walker. I'll see you on the next video.